What is data analysis? Data analysis is the most important element of any business, in that every business touchpoint outputs data which in turn needs to be analyzed in order to understand and make data-driven decision-making. Many factors have influenced the importance of data across the world and industries. Data can be qualitative, in the form of texts and narratives, or quantitative, numeric. For business data analysis in this course, the main focus will be on quantitative data that includes commercial pillars. Commercial elements that are usually analyzed include some of these elements: sales and revenue figures, business order numbers, customer interactions, the percentage increase in rand value, environmental data, energy consumption, medical data, patient diagnostics, and data that marketing departments use to determine who to promote new products to.